Good morning, I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creator. Now's content for BSc Zoology Honours and Microbiology Honours, MSc in Zoology and Microbiology, CUET PG exam, GATE exam, DBT exam, IIT JAM exam, and also CSIRNet Life Sciences exam. Paper Cell Biology, Unit 1, Introduction of Cell. And topic is Introduction of the Cell Biology. Cells and genomes, most living organisms are single cells. Others, such as ourselves, are vast multicellular cities in which groups of cells perform specialized function and are linked by intricate systems of communication. But in all cases, whether we discuss the solitary bacterium or the aggregate of more than 10 to the power 13 cells that form a human body, the whole organism has been generated by cell divisions from a single cell. Next, all cells store their hereditary information in the same linear chemical code that is called DNA. All living cells on Earth, without any known exception, store their hereditary information in the form of double-stranded molecules of DNA, long unbranched paired polymer chains formed always of the same 4 types of monomers. Cell is the universal foundation. It is started by establishing the cell not just a building block but as the fundamental unit of biological complexity, which highlights its thermodynamic and evolutionary significance. Next, drafting template. The cells represent the fundamental unit of biological autonomy, serving as the primary locus where genetic information is translated into functional phenotypes. Defined by a highly ordered non-equilibrium state, cellular system orchestrates thousands of simultaneous biochemical reactions within compartmentalized microenvironment. Understanding the mechanisms of the coordination is central to unraveling the rules of the life, from evolutionary adaptation to pathogenesis. Next, cellular architecture and compartmentalization. This is where you introduce the specific cellular components relevant to your thesis. The first is the plasma membrane. Actively regulates mass energy and information transfer between the cytoplasm and the extracellular matrix. Next, organelle interconnectivity. Organelles are no longer viewed as isolated compartment, but as a highly networked system interacting via membrane contact sites. Next, the cytoskeleton, a dynamic mechanosensitive scaffold that governs intracellular transport, spatial organization and structural integrity. Next function of the cell is dynamic homeostasis and signaling networks. Transition from structure to functions explain how cell process information and maintain a state of dynamic equilibrium despite fluctuating external conditions. First is signal transduction. Emphasize how extracellular ligands trigger cascades that alter the gene expression. And next is energy flux. Frame the cells as the energetic engine powered by ATP generation, that is mitochondrial oxidative phosphorylation versus glycolysis, driving unfavorable reaction. Now the topic has ended. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook account Madhurima Datta. Thank you everyone.